Assalamualaikum parents and students of Primary 5. Let's go through this question together. Amelia had 2 rolls of stickers of the same length but different designs. She cut the first roll of stickers into equal pieces of 30 cm and there were 7 smiley faces on each piece of stickers as shown below. She then cut the second roll of stickers into equal pieces of 50 cm and there were 8 stars on each piece of stickers as shown. After she finished cutting both rolls of stickers, there were 132 more smiley faces than stars. Find the length of one roll of stickers. To do this question, first we need to make the roll of stickers to be of equal length. In this case, I'm going to make both to be 50 cm. So it says here, there are 132 more smiley faces than stars. So let's find out. In 50 cm, how many smiley faces are there? Smiley faces, if in 30 cm, there were 7 smiley faces. F represent the faces. What about 50 cm? How many smiley faces are there? So that will be 7 divided by 30 multiplied by 50. 11 whole and 2/3 smiley faces. Now let's compare the difference between the number of smiley faces as well as the number of stars in 50 cm. So for stars in 50 cm, there were 8 of them, 8 stars. So what is the difference between the number of smiley faces and stars in 50 cm? So there will be 11 whole and 2/3 minus 8, that gives us 3 whole and 2/3. Now, we're going to see how many sets of 3 whole and 2/3 are there in 132 more smiley faces. So 132 divided by 3 whole and 2/3, 36 sets. So this represent 36 sets of 50 cm. Hence, when we multiply these two values, we get the length of one roll of sticker, which is 1,800 centimeter.